Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle Unbox and Review episode. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing the Honda NSR 250, which is a classic 118 scale Diecast Grand Prix Motorcycle manufactured by Motomax. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a standard window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Motomax. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, what we're looking at today is a 118 scale diecast model of the Honda NSR 250 manufactured by Motomax, which is a company I recently came across that manufactures quite a few amazing diecast motorcycles. And at first glance, this diecast motorcycle looks quite good and has a good build quality and also has quite a bit of detailing to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with the trademark paint apps with standard branding details and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible which is functional as well. I'm glad I made a choice to get this variation, as I'll be able to add this to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection, and with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of this motorcycle. Well, this diecast model might not be premium looking, but it's quite decent and it's quite well built. And so with that being said, now let's place this diecast motorcycle on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this Motomax diecast motorcycle. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. The Honda NSR 250 and Honda RS 250 RW were race motorcycles manufactured by Honda Racing Corporation to race in the 250cc class of the Grand Prix Motorcycle World Championship. Both names identify the factory specification bikes entrusted to work teams, while customer teams use the production racer Honda RS 250R. The first bike debuted in 1985 as Honda RS250RW. Then from 1986 to 2002, the factory bikes were named NSR 250. In 2003, the RS250RW name resurrected until the demise of the 250cc class. The 250cc class World Championship was won 11 times by riders riding the Honda RS250RW and NSR 250. Honda also mass produces a road legal Honda NSR 250R. And Honda has been the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer since 1959, reaching a production of 400 million by the end of 2019. And for further information on the Honda NSR 250, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the best buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing diecast motorcycle. And I want to take this opportunity to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos, and stay tuned for some unique and fun diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more fun episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.